So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with another hair tutorial. This is going to be a how to achieve a high puff. If you guys have noticed in my recent videos and if you follow me on social media, I have really been rocking this high puff. Like, the style is so easy to do and it's real lazy. Really lazy, but I really like it, and I felt so happy and so accomplished that I was finally able to do a high puff because this really shows hair growth. I'll leave it in the cards as well as in the description box my 2-year chop-anniversary video that I did. But enough of me chit-chatting about all that. We're gonna go ahead and roll into the video, so let's get started. Okay, so Wednesday was wash day, so I co-washed my hair, and as of lately, since I've been doing the high puff, I've been sectioning out my hair the way that I feel is easier to bring my hair all up into a big puff. So this time I sectioned out my hair half up, half down. So I'm gonna start from the back and just work my way up. So first what I'm going to do is take some gel. So today I'm using my Ecostyler Gold Gel. Definitely need some more. And I'm not going to take a whole lot. I'm just going to take a little bit. And I'm going to put it on the back section of my hair and brush my hair up. So now I'm going to start with this section. So the same thing that I did with the back, I'll be doing with this part. So again, I'm gonna go in with my gel. So I brushed my hair up to get ready to put into the puff. So now I'm going to go in with my Gorilla Snot, and the same thing that I did with the gel. I'm just going to do that all over my hair to slick my hair down more, so it'll be easy to have a straight slick up and then my puff, so everything will be laid. So now I'm going to go in with my edge control. This is Ebin 24-Hour Edge Tamer Extra Mega Hold. And I'm not going to do my baby hairs yet, but I'm just going to make sure that this part is laid a bit down a little bit more. Alright, so now it's time to put my hair into the puff. So I forgot what these are called, but this is what I'll be using. And you have to wrap these up twice like this. So I'm getting ready to show you guys. This is how I do it, and this is how most people do it. Put it around your neck, stretch it out, twist it, and put it around your neck again. So then it looks like this. Then you just bring it up. And what I like to do is I like to go back and forth to make sure that my hair is evenly pushed up and make sure it's secured. So this is how my puff is looking right now. So I'm going kind of real simple with my makeup today, and I do need to finish my makeup. I like to, majority of the time, I like to lay my edges down and lay my baby hairs down before I put on my foundation, because the mixture with edge control and foundation, it makes it look all gooey or something. I can't explain it, but I know you guys know. So I know some of y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go back in with my edge control, and I'm using a little kid's toothbrush, putting some of the edge control on my finger and just wherever I want to bring my baby hairs down. So sometimes right here I like to take a little piece of hair down and curl it up, but today I'm not going to do that. So right now I'm going to put on one of these that you guys normally see me wear in my videos, and I'm going to put this on around my hairline to lay my edges down flat and to also keep my foundation and stuff to get into the edge control and stuff. So I'm gonna put this on, finish up my makeup, and then show you guys the final look. So here's my final look with my puff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did. Also give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more natural hair videos from me. Also leave me a comment down below on any suggestions that you guys want to see me do as far as my natural hair. And also let me know down below in the comments any questions that you guys might have concerning my natural hair or natural hair in general, or this style or anything. Make sure you guys check the description box also, where I will leave the products that I use to achieve this high puff, as well as any video links that you guys may be interested in checking out as far as my hair. So that's pretty much it. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you are not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the bell. The bell will notify you when there's a new upload from yours truly. And that's about it. I will see you guys in my next one.